Hello all. Now let's see exercise 1.2. Look at the first question. Find the cardinal number of the following set. Look at the first subdivision. M is equal to P, Q, R, S, T, U. So to find the cardinal number, that is number of elements in a set. Okay. So we have to count the elements here. So can you count the total number of elements here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total elements is equal to 6. So n of m, that is number of elements in set m, is equal to 6. Okay. Look at the second question. P is equal to x such that x is equal to 3n plus 2, where n is an element of whole number and x is less than 15. Okay, so they said that x is equal to 3n plus 2. Okay, so n is an element of whole number. So whole number, it starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, so x is equal to 3n plus 2, where n is an element of whole number. Okay, we are going to substitute this whole numbers in the place of n, and x is less than 15. So till less than 15 we have to count it. Okay, so 3n plus 2, let's substitute it. So 3 into 0 plus 2, 3 into 1 plus 2, 3 into 2 plus 2, 3 into 3 plus 2, 3 into 4 plus 2, 3 into 5 plus 2. So 3 into 0, 0, 0 plus 2, that is equal to 2. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. 3 twos are 6, 6 plus 2, that is equal to 8. Then 3 threes are 9, 9 plus 2, that is equal to 11. Then 3 fours are 12 plus 2, that is equal to 14. Then 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2, that is equal to 17. So P is equal to 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. So less than 15 we have to write. So we have to stop till 14. Okay. So can you count the number of elements here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So therefore, n of P is equal to 5. Now look at the third question. Q is equal to y such that y is equal to 4 by 3n. N is an element of natural number and n is greater than 2 and less than or equal to 5. Okay, so first of all, let's find the value of n. N is an element of natural number. So n is greater than 2. Greater than 2 is 3. Less than 5 or less than or equal to 5 means till 5 we have to write. So 3, 4, 5. So let's substitute this value in this equation. Y is equal to 4 by 3n. Okay, so if n is equal to 3, then y is equal to 4 by 3 into 3. That is equal to 4 by 3 3s are 9. If n is equal to 4, then y is equal to 4 by 3 into 4. That is equal to 4 by 4 3s are 12. And if n is equal to 5, then y is equal to 4 by 3 into 5. That is equal to 4 by 15. Okay, so now let's write these values in the curly brackets. So q is equal to 4 by 9, 4 by 12 and 4 by 15. So n of q is equal to, count the number of elements, 1, 2, 3. So write it as 3. Now let's do the fourth subdivision. R is equal to x such that x is an integers. X is an element of integer and x is greater than or equal to minus 5 and less than 5. Okay, so let's find the value of x here. So greater than or equal to minus 5 means we have to start it from minus 5. So minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is, we have to write it till 4 because it is given here less than 5. So write it till 4. Okay. So R is equal to this one. So now count the number of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So n of R, that is equal to 10. Now look at the fifth question. S is equal to the set of all leap years between 1882 and 1906. Leap years come every 4 years. So let's take this value and find whether it is the leap year or not. Okay, 1882, fourth table. 4 4s are 16, balance 2. 7 4s are 28, balance 2. So you have to add this to this. Okay, so it is 1884. So 1884 is the leap year. Okay, 1884, 1888, 1892, 1896, 1904. Why not 1900? Because 1900 is not the leap year. Okay, 1900 is not a leap year. Why? Because this 1900, it is not divisible by 400. As this 1900, it is divisible by 4 as well as it is divisible by 100, but it is not divisible by 400, and this 1900 is not considered as a leap year. So that only we didn't write here 1900. Okay, so S is equal to 1884, 1888, 1892, 1896 and 1904. Okay, just we are adding 4 to each. Okay, so now count the number of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So N of S is equal to 5. Now look at the second question. Identify the following sets as finite or infinite. To look at the first question, in that X is equal to the set of all districts in Tamil Nadu. So districts are countable. For example, there are 38 districts in Tamil Nadu, right? How many districts are there? 38 are there in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so it is countable. So we call this as finite. Okay. Look at the second question. Y is equal to set of all straight lines passing through a point. So how many straight lines can pass through the point? Many, right? So it is not countable. Okay, we can't able to count it. So that I'm writing it as infinite. Okay. Now look at the third question. A is equal to X such that X is an element of integers and X is less than 5. Okay. So they said that X is less than 5. Till less than 5 we have to write. But they didn't say from where we have to start. For example, X is less than 5. So I'm writing till 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm writing till 4 because it is less than 5. But here we have few values like -1, -2, -3. It goes on, right? So here there is no end at all. So we call this as infinite set. Okay. Look at the fourth subdivision. B is equal to X such that X square minus 5X plus 6 is equal to 0. X is an element of natural number. Okay, so natural number, it starts from 1, 2, 3, it goes on, right? So here they gave that X square minus 5X plus 6 is equal to 0. We have to take the factorization here. Okay, so X square minus 5X plus 6. So let's take the factorization. 2 3s are 6. So while we are multiplying, we have to get 6. While we are adding, we have to get -5. Okay, this -5 we have to get. Okay, so 2 3s are 6. Okay, what about -5? 2 plus 3, it is +5, isn't it? So we have to get -5. So -2 -3, it gives -5. So -2 -3, we will add it and we will put the minus sign. So we have to write it as X minus 2, X minus 3 is equal to 0. So X is equal to 2, X is equal to 3. So B is equal to 2, 3 and this is finite. Now look at the third question. Which of the following sets are equivalent or unequal or equal sets? Okay, so we have to find whether the set is equivalent or equal or unequal. Okay, so look at the first subdivision. So A is equal to the set of vowels in English alphabets. So what is vowel? A, E, I, O, U, isn't it? So A, E, I, O, U. And B is equal to the set of all letters in the word vowel. So we have to write the letters from the word vowel. So V, O, W, E, L. Okay, for the equivalent set, the number of elements should be equal. For equal set, the elements in set A should be there in set B, so that the set will be equal. If it is neither equivalent nor equal, means the set will be unequal set. Okay, so now count the number of elements. N of A is equal to 5 and N of B is equal to 5. So N of A is equal to N of B, that is equal to 5. Now look at the elements inside. A, we don't have A here, so this set will be equivalent set. Therefore it is equivalent set. Now look at the second question. C is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and D is equal to X such that X is an element of whole number. X is greater than 1 and less than 5. So the elements for D is X is greater than 1 is 2. Less than 5 means we have to write it till 4. So 2, 3, 4. So C is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and D is equal to 2, 3, 4. So look at the number of elements here. For C we have 4 elements and for D we have 3 elements. And now look at the elements in C. We have 2, In D also we have 2. What about 3? 3 we have in both the set. What about 4? We have in both the set. What about 5? We don't have in the set D. So this set, it is unequal set. Now look at the third question. X is equal to X such that X is a letter in the word life. So L-I-F-E. Okay. So Y is equal to file. F-I-L-E. So now count the number of elements. N of X is equal to 4 and N of Y is equal to 4. So N of X is equal to N of Y. That is equal to 4. Now check the letters. L we have in both the set. I we have in both the set. F we have in both the set. E we have in both the set. So the answer is equal set. Now look at the fourth question. G is equal to X such that X is a prime number and X is greater than 3 and less than 23. And it is a prime number. Let's list out the prime numbers. After 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. We have to stop till 19. H is equal to X such that X is a divisor of 18. 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6s are 18. What about in fourth table? We will not get 18. What about in fifth table? We will not get 18. What about in sixth table? We have already written here. So we should stop till this. Okay. So now let's list out these numbers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. H is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So now count the number of elements. In N of G, it is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in N of H, it is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So N of G is equal to N of H. That is equal to 6. So number of elements, it is equal. But look at the elements in G. 5. We don't have it in H. So it is not equal set. So hence the set is equivalent. Equivalent set. Now look at the fourth question. Identify the following sets as null set or singleton set. So null set in the sense there is no elements inside the curly bracket. Okay. And singleton means there is only one element inside the curly bracket. Okay. Look at the first subdivision. A is equal to X such that X is an element of natural number and X is greater than 1 and less than 2. Okay. So X is greater than 1 and less than 2. Between 1 and 2, is there any natural number? No, right? So this is the null set. Okay. Now look at the second question. B is equal to the set of all even natural numbers which are not divisible by 2. They are saying that even natural number, it is not divisible by 2. We all know that even numbers, it is divisible by 2. So even numbers must be divisible by 2. So there is a contradiction. So the answer is null set. Now look at the third question. C is equal to 0. So as I already told to you, 0 is an element inside the curly bracket. So this one, it is the singleton set. Now look at the fourth question. The set of all triangles having 4 sides. Triangles have 3 sides. So triangles can't have 4 sides. So the answer is null set. Now look at the fifth question. State which pairs of sets are disjoint or overlapping. Okay. So disjoint in the sense, if there is no common elements, the set will be disjoint. If there is any common elements in the sets can be overlapping. Okay. Now look at the first question. A is equal to F, I, A, S. And B is equal to A, N, F, H, S. So what is common here? A, F and S. It is common. Isn't it? So the set is overlapping. So the answer is overlapping. Now look at the second question. C is equal to X such that X is a prime number. X is greater than 2. So prime number X is greater than 2. Okay. So the prime numbers which is greater than 2, it is 3, 5, 7, 11. Isn't it? And D is equal to X such that X is an even prime number. So which is the even prime number? 2 is the even prime number. Isn't it? So they said that prime number X greater than 2. And here even prime number it is 2. So it is not overlapping set because there is no common element. So the set can be disjoint. Okay. So the answer is disjoint set. Now look at the third question. E is equal to X such that X is a factor of 24. So A is equal to factor of 24. And F is equal to x such that x is a multiple of 3. X is less than 30. So multiple of 3. It is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So less than 30. Till less than 30 we have to write. So before 30 we have 27. So just count it in third table. Okay. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Like that. Okay. Factor of 24. So here let's find the factor of 24. 1 24s are 24. 2 12s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 4 6 are 24. The table we won't get 24. And 6 it is already given here. So we have to stop till this. Okay. So now let's write the elements here. 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24. 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24. Okay. So now tell me, is there any common elements? Yes, right. So 3 6 12 and 24 it is common. Hence the set it is overlapping set. Now look at the sixth question. If S is equal to square, rectangle, circle, rhombus and triangle. List the elements of the following subset of S. Okay. Now let's draw the shapes. Square, rectangle, circle, rhombus, triangle. Okay. So look at the first question. The set of shapes which have 4 equal sides. 4 equal sides. That is square and rhombus. Isn't it? So square, rhombus. Now look at the second question. The set of shapes which have radius. So in circle only we have radius. So the answer is circle. Now look at the third question. The set of shapes in which the sum of all interior angles is 180 degree. So in triangle only the interior angle it is 180 degree. So the answer is triangle. Now look at the fourth question. The set of shapes which have 5 sides. Is there any shapes which has 5 sides? No, right? So the answer it is null set. Now look at the second question. If A is equal to A, B. Okay. So we have to find the subset. Right? All the subset of A. So subset of A is equal to, first it is null set. Then we have to take only the first element, that is A. Then we have to take the second element, that is A, B. We have to write it in a curly bracket. And then we have to take both the elements, that is A, B. Okay, so this is the answer. Now look at the eighth question. This is also a very easy question. First we have to find the subset of A, then we have to find the power set of A. Okay, so look at the eighth question. Write down the power set of the following set. First question is A is equal to A, B. Okay, so if A is equal to A, B, subset of A is equal to null set, then first element, then second element, then we have to take both the elements. Okay, so how to write the power set? Power set of A, that is equal to, we have to write everything in a curly bracket. Okay, since the set of all subset of set A is the power set of A. So just we have to write everything in the curly bracket. So null set A, B and AB. Just close the curly bracket here. Okay. Now look at the second question. B is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So subset of B, that is equal to null set. Then we have to take the first element, then second element, then third element. Then we have to take first and second element, then first and third element. Then we have to take second and third element. Then we have to write all these 3 elements. Understood? Just first we have to write null set, then first element, second element, third element, first and second element, first and third element, second and third element, and we have to write all these 3 elements here. And for the power set of B, P of B is equal to, we have to put everything inside the curly bracket. So null set Just close the bracket after this. So this is the answer for this. Now let's do the third question. D is equal to P, Q, R, S. Okay. So now let's find the subset of D. Is equal to null set, first element, second element, then third element, then fourth element, and now first and second element, first and third element, and first and fourth element, and then second and third element, second and fourth element, now third and fourth element, and then first, second and third element, then second, third and fourth element, then first, third and fourth element, then we have to write all the 4 elements. Power set of D, we have to write everything on the curly bracket. So P of D is equal to, look at the fourth question, E is equal to null set. So null set, we can also write it as empty set. This is also null set, isn't it? So E is equal to empty set or null set. P of E is equal to null set. Now look at the 9th question. Find the number of subset and the number of proper subset of the following set. Look at the first question. W is equal to red, blue and yellow. First we have to count number of elements. So n of W, that is equal to 3. So number of subset is equal to is equal to 2 to the power m, isn't it? Number of element it is 3, isn't it? So 2 to the power 3, that is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 8. Okay, and number of proper subset is equal to 2m minus 1, that is equal to 8 minus 1, that is equal to 7. Now look at the second question. X is equal to x square such that x is an element of natural number and x square it is less than or equal to 100. So they said that x is an element of natural number, x square is less than or equal to 100. Okay, so natural number, it starts from 1, 2, 3, it goes on, right? So 1 square it is 1, 2 square, that is 2 2s are 4, 3 square, 3 3s are 9, 4 square, 4 4s are 16, 5 square, 5 5s are 25, 6 square, 6 6 are 36, 7 square, 7 7s are 49, 8 square, 8 8s are 64, 9 square, 9 9s are 81, 10 square, 10 10s are 100. So they said that x square it is less than or equal to 100. So till 100 we have to write. So till 10 we have to write. Okay. So x is equal to 1 to 10. Since 10 square is 100. So n is equal to 10. That is number of elements is equal to 10. So n of x, that is 10, and number of subset is 2 to the power n, that is equal to 2 to the power 10. So 2 into 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 2. Okay, so that is equal to 1024. Okay, so number of proper subset is equal to 2m minus 1, that is equal to 1024 minus 1, that is equal to 1023. Now look at the 10th question. If n of a is equal to 4, find n of p of a. So n of a is equal to 4, we have to find n of p of a. That is equal to 2 to the power m, that is equal to 2 to the power 4. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Understood? Look at the second question. If n of a is equal to 0, find n of p of a. So n of a is equal to 0. So n of p of a, that is equal to 2 to the power n, that is equal to 2 to the power 0. So 2 to the power 0, it is 1. Why this 2 to the power 0 is 1? Because any number which is raised to the power 0 is always 1. It is the rule. Okay. So a to the power 0, it is always 1. Now look at the last question. If n of P of A is equal to 256. We have to find n of A. Okay. So 256, second table, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16. Again second table, 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8. Again second table, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again second table, 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are 12. Again second table, 8 2s are 16. Again second table, 4 2s are 8. Again second table, 2 2s are 4. Again second table, 1. So how many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So totally 8 2s. So 2 to the power m, that is equal to 2 to the power 8. So n of A, that is equal to 8.